doesn't always require complex solutions. Many times, the most intelligent solution is simple. Smith's Interconnect Eclipta ECL series edge card connectors offer high performance, ease of use, and flexibility to healthcare providers while addressing their real-world manufacturing process needs at a one-use cost point. The reliable connector series is a double-ended edge card contact interconnect system featuring a PCB contact on the disposable connector side that reduces both cost and damage to the male pins typically incorporated in medical connectors. The high mating life of up to 2,500 cycles increases the mean time between failures, and the finger-proof contacts on the reusable side contribute to the safety of patients and medical personnel.